Songdo is one example of the many contemporary projects of U-cities in South Korea. These ubiquitous cities, also known as smart cities or e-cities, have their origins in the need for new cities due to the increasing urban population. Additionally, in response to climate change and ever-increasing energy needs, the smart technologies ubiquitous in these U-cities are meant to more efficiently manage energy and resources. Songdo in particular was also designed to attract international investments to South Korea, for which it is conveniently situated close to an airport that has quick access to other major cities in East Asia. More importantly, however, it is meant to serve as a model for other city projects in the world and is thus cooperating with cities from many different countries. It was also designed by a company based in New York City. Built on land reclaimed from the Yellow Sea of Incheon, Songdo's infrastructure is completely integrated with smart technologies such as CCTV cameras that monitor traffic, waste management facilities, and more. These smart technologies are intended to reduce costs, increase response time, and make life in the city overall more convenient. One of the main criticisms is that the Korean building code requires large roads with a great number of lanes that compromise the project's vision for a walkable city. In recent years, as more than 100,000 people are already living in Songdo, many more issues have become obvious. The city, although more successful than comparable new city projects, which are usually only intended for investors to buy property and thus often become ghost towns, still feels somewhat empty. People have also commented that Songdo can feel like an amusement park due to its planned nature, with an exclusively international style that does not incorporate local designs. U-city projects in South Korea are also generally disconnected from each other, with many different ministries working on them that have different objectives, strategies, and generally lack coordination. Another criticism is that there is not enough involvement with private and public organizations in shaping the city. Additionally, human needs such as social networking have been overshadowed by technological implementations in the design of a city. All in all, there seems to be a lack of services that reflect the characteristics of a city which could raise local interest. As social issues have been ignored in favor of technological issues in the planning of Songdo, now the goal is to increase the involvement of citizens and local businesses in shaping their neighborhoods. Songdo might not have been as successful as planned. New cities usually never are, but other projects have the opportunity to learn from its achievements and shortcomings. Keep an eye out for Songdo.